Hello everyone. Today we are going to do class 10 maths part 1 chapter number 2 quadratic equation practice set number 2.4. We are going to complete, children. This is very easy exercise. Find the values of a, b and c for the following quadratic equation by comparing with standard form. So you all have to compare it with the standard form. I have already shown what is the standard form. So what is the standard form? We have to comparing x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore a is how much? 1. Okay, b is how much? Minus 7 and c is how much? Plus 5 or 5, you all can write it. Got it? Isn't it easy? Now next is again same comparing with the standard form. So this is going to be, first we will write it in the standard form. Okay, so and then we will compare it, comparing 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. Got it, children? So what we have done is we have taken all the numbers and the variables to the left hand side and 0 has been added. Now it's compared with ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore a is how much? 2, b is minus 5 and c is 5. Okay, these type of questions come for 1 mark or fill in the blanks also. So first we will make this in the standard form. Okay, so for comparing we have to change this y square minus 7y plus 0 with the standard form with ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore a is supposed to be 1, b is supposed to be minus 7 and c is supposed to be 0. Got it? Over here you all have to put 0 also. Got it, children? Isn't it easy? Let's do the next question. Solve the following quadratic equation using formula method. So formula method we have to use. Now the first step is going to be comparison. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So same as we did for question number 1, a is 1, b is 6 and c is supposed to be 5. Now formula method, that means for b square minus 4ac, this is the formula method. Okay, so this formula you all have to revise when it is being asked quadratic equation using formula method, then you all have to add this formula. Okay, so b is supposed to be 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Okay, so this is going to be 36 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So the answer after subtraction is going to be 6. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is how much? 16. Right, now over here this is going to be your main formula. So you'll have to learn it. B square minus 4ac, okay, upon 2a. So only substitute the values. Minus b means b is how much? Minus 6 plus and minus. Now we have found the answer for this, which is supposed to be 16. So you all have to only write 16, and 2 into a means 2 into a is how much? 1. Got it, children? Isn't it easy? Now do the following operation, that is minus 6 plus and minus, you all have to carry it as it is. Taking the square root from both the sides, the answer is going to be 4 and this is going to be 2. Okay, so the answer is going to be 2 ones. You all have to keep it as it is also, or you all can take 2 x's over here. I will show you how we have taken x is equal to minus 6 plus 4, because plus and minus sign is there, isn't it? So this is going to be in this way. So 2 ones are 2 twos are this. When you subtract it, x is going to be minus 1. Okay, now when we take for the subtraction, that is minus 6 minus 4. Once you all have taken the addition one, then other one is going to be the subtraction one. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, x is going to be minus 5. Okay, so the coordinates are going to be minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so this is minus 1. Isn't it easy? Now, next sum. So, the first step is comparing. Same steps you all have to keep comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is 1, b is minus 3, c is supposed to be minus 2. First you will find for 4b square minus 4ac, which is supposed to be minus 3 whole square. 4 into 1 into minus 2. The answer is going to be 9 plus 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, minus and minus will change to plus 8. So the answer is 17. Okay, now we have to use the formula plus and minus 6, not 6, b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute its value. X is supposed to be minus b is supposed to be how much? Minus 3. B is minus 3, isn't it? So plus and minus root of this is supposed to be 17, which we have already taken. See, b square minus 4ac, we are having the value. Just put the value over there. X is equal to, this is left, so 2 into 1. 2a we have forgotten. So x is supposed to be minus and minus is going to be plus. Plus and minus root 17. 2 ones are 2. Now we have to take once plus and once minus. So therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2. This is your first answer because nothing is going to get reduced. The second one is going to be minus 17 upon 2. Both the answers are almost the same. Got it? Only the signs are changed. Isn't it easy? These types of sums can come for 2 to 3 marks also. Again, compare with ax square minus bx plus c. Don't change the steps, children. Keep it same so that it becomes easy to solve. C is supposed to be minus 7. Now, first b square minus 4ac, which is supposed to be 2 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 7. The answer is going to be 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 7s are 84. Minus and minus will change to plus. So this is going to be 88. So b square minus 4ac is how much? 88. Now the main formula, that is minus b plus and minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the values, children. Now over here minus 2 plus and minus, we are having 88. Okay, so 88 we are going to split it in the form. Later on we will split it. Let's take this step first and then we will split it. So x is supposed to be this. Now x is supposed to be minus 2 plus and minus 4 into 22. That means 88. 3 2s are 6. Therefore x is supposed to be minus 2 plus and minus 2 will come over here and 22 will remain as it is. Okay, so 2 square for this 4 we have taken it outside and 6 is going to be in this form. So over here minus 1 plus and minus 22 upon 3. Therefore x is going to be minus 1 plus and minus 22 upon 3. Once you all have to take plus sign and once you all have to take minus sign. Okay, so when this is the answer, we will take once plus and once minus. Got it, children? So the fifth sum is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Same drill you all have to perform, that is comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 5, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is supposed to be minus 4 square minus 4 into 5 minus 2. The answer is going to be 16. 5 fours are, this sign will change as minus and minus will change to plus. 5 fours are 20, 22s are 40. So this is going to be 56. So b square minus 4ac is 56. Now x is equal to plus and minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, substitute its value. This is going to change to minus 4 plus and minus root of 56 because we have 56 upon 2 into 5. Alright, now x is supposed to be 4 plus and minus. We will split 56 into such a way that we can get 2 out of it. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Therefore, x is supposed to be 4 plus and minus 2 root 14 upon 2 into 5. Now keep it as it is so that it will get reduced, children. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus minus root 14 upon so the answer is going to be 5 over here. So once you all have to take plus and once you all have to take minus. So x is supposed to be 4 plus root of 14 upon 5 and x is supposed to be 4 minus root 14 upon 5. Okay, in some textbook it is 2 over here, children. The answer over there, it is wrong. I think so it is wrong, but this is going to be correct. Let's solve the fifth sum. Same steps. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let's make it in the standard form first. That is y square plus 1 upon 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is 1, b is 1 upon 3, c is equal to minus 2. So therefore b square minus 4ac 1 upon 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. It's going to change to 1 upon 9 plus 8, which is going to be 1 plus 72 upon 9 and 70. I hope you all know these operations. Multiply it and then add it. Okay. So b square minus 4ac is supposed to be 73 upon 9. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus and minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So, x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 plus and minus 73 upon 9 upon 2 into 1. So, therefore, I will write the sum in the next page. I'll continue it over here. So the answer is going to be minus x is equal to minus plus and minus 1 upon 3 root of 73, as I have taken the square root outside, into 2. So therefore minus 1 plus 73 upon 6. Okay, we have just subtracted it. So x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 and x is equal to minus 1 minus 73 upon 6. Question number 6. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. So first comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is 5, b is 13, c is 8. Got it? Now, then after that, same as we did for the other sums. First we will find this half formula, that is 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8, which is supposed to be 169 minus 5 fours are 20, 28s are 160. So the answer is going to be 9. Okay, which is after the formula x is equal to minus b plus and minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, substitute its value, that is going to be minus 13 plus and minus root of 9, 2 into a. Okay, so this value we have already removed, which is 9. You have to only place it in the square root as the formula has been shown. Okay, so not a, 2 into 5, you all have to write it over here. So therefore, x is supposed to be minus 13 plus and minus 3, because we will take the square root. So 5 2s are 10. Okay, so once you all have to take plus and once you all have to take minus. So therefore, x is equal to minus 13 plus and minus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. So once you all have taken plus, once you all have taken minus. Got it? So therefore, x is supposed to be minus 10 upon 10. Okay, so 10 ones are 10 ones are. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Same over here, x is equal to minus 16 upon 10. Therefore, x is equal to 8 upon 5. 2 5s are 2 8s are. Okay, so both the roots you all have got. Now, third question is very easy, children. Everything has been given, same as we have solved all the sums till now. In the same pattern you all have to solve. Everything has been given in the same steps you all have to follow. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, now with the help of the flow chart given below, solve the equation. So this is the given equation using the formula. Okay, so with the formula you all have to solve it. Same pattern as we did for all the sums. So first step is comparing. Okay, so we have to compare this equation, x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0, with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is 1, b is 2 root 3, c is 3. Okay, so this we have solved it. Now step 2. So you will see that there are 4 steps as we did for all the sums. The same steps we are doing it over here. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, which is supposed to be 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3. Okay, so this will give you 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So you have got the value of b square minus 4ac as 0. Now step 3, which is supposed to be write the formula for substituting quadratic equation. So the main formula, which was x is equal to minus b plus and minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is our formula. We will substitute its value in the 4th step because they have shown it in the 4th step. Substitute the values in the formula and then solve it. So it will come in the step 4. So in the 3rd step only you all have to write the formula, not solve it. Solving you all have to do in the 4th step. So x is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus and minus root of 0, 2 into 1. So therefore x is equal to minus 2 root 3, because this is going to get cancelled, 2. So over here also, therefore 1s are, so x is going to be minus root 3. Okay, now here the value of b square minus 4 is going to be 0, isn't it? This value is supposed to be 0. Therefore the roots are real and equal. Therefore minus root 3 and minus root 3 are the roots. Got it? Isn't it easy? Children, if you all are finding anything difficult while solving the questions, you all can comment in the comment box. I will try to explain you all in the next video as per the demand. If there is any problem, please let me know. I would love to hear from you all. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.